The minimum butterfly set-down position is the position of the table shift cylinder when the moving tilt table reaches the first valid position for the lift bar to engage the glass. It sets the stop point of the moving tilt table shift cylinder when it extends. This parameter must be set correctly to ensure the proper assembly of the IG units by the butterfly table. If the value is too small, the lift bar will not lift the light on the moving tilt table. If the value is too large, the two halves of a triple pane IG with a large width spacer may contact prematurely, causing misalignment issues. The moving tilt table shift cylinder is a linear actuator which is used to position the moving tilt table. An absolute encoder on the actuator measures the position of the shift cylinder. The position of the shift cylinder can be seen on the butterfly servo control screen in the VNC Viewer. This field shows the actual shift cylinder position. The machine setting screen holds the value for the minimum butterfly set-down position in inches. The minimum butterfly set-down position is the position of the table shift cylinder when the moving tilt table reaches the first valid position for the lift bar to engage the glass. In this case, the minimum butterfly set-down position is good. In the case shown here, the minimum butterfly set-down position is too small, so the lift bar fails to engage the glass on the moving tilt table. This is not a valid position for the minimum butterfly set-down. When setting the minimum butterfly set-down parameter, the angle of the tilt tables must be set. The angles can be found on the VNC Viewer machine setting screen. Use the numbers for the moving tilt table up 1 triple IG and the fixed tilt table up 1 for triple IG. From the home screen, navigate to the machine settings. Write down the up 1 values for the moving tilt table and fixed tilt table for triple IGs. Here the moving tilt table is 87.0 degrees and the fixed tilt table is 86.5 degrees. Navigate back to the home page and then to the servo butterfly controls. Enter the set position for the fixed tilt table at 86.5 degrees and the moving tilt table at 87.0 degrees. Verify the shift cylinder is extended far enough so the tables do not collide. Press the move button for each to move the tables to their respective up 1 positions. Enter a value for the shifter set position. I'm going to use 28.5 inches. Press the move button to move the shifter to the set position. Navigate back to the home page, then to the I/O monitor, and then to conveyors 9 and 10. Here the solenoid 3778 can be activated to raise the lift bar. For this machine, 28.5 inches is a valid minimum butterfly set-down position, as the glass is fully engaged on the lift bar. Let's navigate back to the servo butterfly control screen and try a smaller value. I will set the set position to 28.0 inches and move the shifter to that position. Navigate back to the conveyor 9 and 10 I/O monitor and activate the solenoid for the lift bar. As you can see, the lift bar fails to lift the glass, so 28.0 inches is too small a value for the minimum butterfly set down position. If the value is too large and a wider spacer is used, the inner light, which is elevated, will contact the frame on the fixed tilt table at a higher point. This will act as a hinge, causing the edges not to be properly aligned. Once the minimum value is determined, enter the minimum butterfly set down position in the space provided on the machine settings screen. Be sure to back up your settings whenever changes are made.